Stars, Music Monday. Guess what we're going to talk about again today? If you want to be a singer and maybe someone has told you you're not the best, or maybe you just tell yourself you're not the best, and then you complain that you're not the best and that you'll never get any better, then once again, we're here to remind you that none of that is true. You may not be the best ever. I mean, who is the best ever? You have your favorite, I have my favorite, but who really is the best singer in the entire world? Julie Andrews? I love her so much. Okay, so true story. Was at the dentist, and while I was waiting to get numbed up, the hygienist said, "Oh, what do you do for a living?" And of course, told her, singing teacher, and she gave me the spiel I get all the time, which is, I'm the worst. No one wants to hear me sing. No one could ever help me. And if you've watched any of my Music Mondays, you know how angry that makes me. Because yes, somewhere in their lives, someone has told them, or they just listened to someone else and compared themselves, or movies, or parents, or school teachers, or whatever, told them they were bad, and they believed it. But they also decided that this is the one thing in life that can't get any better. But we know that's not true. If you want to be a good dancer, you start taking dance lessons. If you want to be good in sports, then you get on a team, or you get a coach so you can get on a team. And we know that we have to progress and we need people to help us get there. But I don't know why singing seems to be different from that. If I want to be good at the piano or any other musical instrument, I get a teacher. Anything like that is how you get better. And I really think it's a piece of our society, what makes me so fired up, which is why I talk about it to you guys all the time, because it seems to be so pervasive. Again, several times a month, I have this conversation with people. So just sharing it with you guys again. If you are one of those people out there that somewhere inside you feels like you're the worst ever, or someone told you that you're bad, but you want to be better and you have this little desire in you to become better, then I beg you to start taking lessons. Just start, see where it leads you, see what happens, see if it really does light your fire and make you happy. Maybe it won't. Maybe you're like, oh yeah, this is a lot of hard work. No thanks. No, I don't want to do this after all. Great. Well, then now you know, and you can move on and find something else that sparks your fire and makes you happy and fulfills you and brings you joy. So here it is. Everything in life can be helped to become better if you get a teacher, if you get a coach, if you get a class, if you do something. So don't let the desire of singing be any different for you whatsoever. That's the challenge. Okay, good luck.